Just kidding. Welcome home. I am Tamanna Bhatia and this is my home. To be honest, I am very little at home for the fact that I travel most of the times. So for me, coming back home really is my comfort space. It's where I feel like, I can just let go and be. And this home is made in a very, very contemporary, timeless way. I think I'm someone who really loves color, as you can see. But the home is very with nice muted tones, and there's a lot of texture going on everywhere, which kind of makes it warm. So yeah, this is where I normally tend to hang, and I love this part because I get to sit and laze around here. So I've lived in this place for 8 years now. It still feels kind of really new to me. This home is completely made by my dad, and he's, kind of bought things from different places and put it together. For me, this home, of course, holds a lot of memories, and I was waiting to get my puppy, so my puppy is coming in this house. Having him around, or just when I come back from work, just having him greet me when I enter is another feeling altogether. Hi. Hi, Viju. Hi. Oh, you don't like it? Okay, we'll give you also love. Of course, when you have a contemporary house, it tends to look very it has a form, has a shape, very strong structures. But I still feel like my house, my couches are pretty worn out, and they're mostly scratches of my puppy everywhere, and it's it looks worn out, and I kind of like that about a home because I feel eventually it looks like it's been lived in. So वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, and I think that's what makes it more cozy. I really wish I could experiment a lot more with decor, because I am someone who actually likes color, and I think it's really cool to paint your doors different. Sometimes if you feel like you really need a change in your decor, I mean, even sometimes just doing up a wall, it changes the entire vibe of of the house. I remember this painting, I don't know if you guys can see this right now. So this painting's actually painted by my brother's wife, and it was just a white wall, and I feel like just adding this painting has added so much more, or even just coloring up the wall into something. I think that could really help, and I'm a big fan of that. I love doing that. So you guys have seen the place where I end up working and spending a lot of my work time, but after I get done with all that work, the main place where I go chill with my family is right here. Hey Babu, how are you? Good. Even I want some chai. Great. So this is what happens actually whenever I come back home. I'm just sitting with mom and dad, and then I find them eating these donuts without me. They're very good for health. Do they make you stronger?
Yes.
We'll have muscles as big as the size of the donut.
That's okay. That's good, right?
We are such foodies, we always end up eating something or the other that's sinful. Mostly after work, even if it's at 12 in the night or 2 in the morning, we always end up drinking chai or coffee. Most of my time is spent at home, chilling with folks and doing nothing, which is so much fun.
It's roasted.
And it's also flavored. So now I'm going to be taking you to a space that is super personal to me. It's my bedroom. So before you enter my bedroom, you have to cross this space, and this is where I actually get ready, and I do spend a lot of my time when I'm in Mumbai here, because I mean, that's what my job is, right? I wake up every morning, and before I go to work, there's a certain amount of prep that goes to it. I always wanted this space to be very reflective, so I have a lot of mirrors in this space, and also it is relatively a smaller space, so I wanted it to look a lot bigger. So the best way of doing that is adding mirrors. here is my wardrobe, which is you can have as much wardrobe space, and you still need to stuff clothes inside because clothes are always too many. That's a fan-made little world of mine, which is, I think, very, very cute. Now we can take you to the bedroom.